To my portfolio, I am Elman Kanta, studying in BTech first year in CSC AIDS branch, and I made a basic web page as resume, and I hosted it in Glitch. It generates a link to access, and I coming to my basic web page. Here are the buttons that I gave links that are about education, skills, projects. Let me explain my basic web page from scratch. This is my photo, and I have just completed an HTML CSS tutorials practice sessions. All this I have written in my about session. Vedic the website is my source of learning. It's our college websites. They provide us a source of learning as a courses in our college. Let's go into our education. In 10th class, I studied in CBIT school, which is in our native place. Got 93% out of marks are 558. And in intermediate, I studied in Sri Chaitanya, got 98% of 980 marks. And BTech CSC ADS in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram is ongoing. And coming to my skills, let's click on button. Coming to my skills, C language, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and data structures. These are my skills. I learned for completely in C, Python, HTML, CSS, but in JavaScript and data structures, I have to cover some more topics that are incompleted. And coming to projects, I have not built very huge and big projects. These are my basic projects that are simple calculator using Python and basic web page using HTML CSS. This is the basic web page that I made. And next I'm going to explain my code which I have written in CSS and HTML, and I will explain the code briefly now. This is the code I have written for my basic web page as a resume. In style tag I have written CSS code, and this is the closing tag of style, and in body tag I have written HTML code. This is the closing tag of HTML code body tag. Here I have given some buttons to access my page. The href is the link to access the buttons, and in section tag I have given about me, and this is the photo URL, and using another list which gives dots I have written this text. And coming to education section, it is the code of education section. I have written this code using tables, and this is the education section of code. And going to skills section, this is the skills section: C language, Python, HTML, CSS, data structures. Using ID I have written this code. And going to the project section, this is the project section: simple calculator, basic web page. I have written it in table. And finally I have given a footer: thanks for visiting my portfolio, as a text in H3. Sorry, this bug H3. Okay. This is all about my code I have written in using HTML and CSS. Let's preview. Open with live server. This is my code. Finally, output and links, education. That's all about my this video. Thank for watching this video. Thank you.